Hello guys, you're welcome to yet another video in our bootcamp series. All right, so in today's video, I will just be talking about candlestick charts. Okay, just it's going to be a brief video, so it wouldn't last as long as the other ones used to. Okay, so um in today's video, I'll just be explaining my chart layout. Okay, so when you see a candlestick chart, what are the important things to look out for? Okay, so it's not everything you see in a chart that actually matters as a trader. Okay, there are important things you should look out for. All right, so what are these things we should look out for? Number one is price. Okay, when you check a chart, a candlestick chart, and you cannot find price, then I honestly don't know what that is. That is not a forex chart. Okay, when you talk about forex, you talk about buying and selling, and when you talk about buying and selling, you talk about price. Okay, so right here, I'll just be using this arrow to navigate through anything I'm referring to on my screen. Okay, so just follow the arrowhead and you would get to um understand what I am talking about. All right, so as I was saying, the price. Okay, price is one essential indicator or essential factor you need to check in a candlestick chart. All right, so and when you want to check for the price, you should always check the right hand side. Okay, most times price is always at the right hand side. Do you know why? Because every time price, every candlestick prints is always towards the right hand side. Okay, candlestick always print towards the right hand side. They move from the left to the right hand side. So when you check the extreme right, you would see the current market price. Okay, so whenever you want to check, you can see as I'm moving my arrow, the price is changing. Okay, so first of all, when you want to observe a candlestick or analyze a candlestick chart, first thing you check is your price. Okay, now after you've checked your price, second thing you need to check is your time. Okay, time, I told you, and time is always around the x-axis. Okay, it's always most times it's always around the x-axis. Okay, so when you check your x-axis, you get to see time. All right, so right here we have February, Monday, February, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, 6th of February 2024. All right, so we're still currently in this year. All right, we're still in this year, so 2024. We have March. So when you trace this particular candlestick now, okay, you trace this particular candlestick, this horizontal line where you have not the one above, this one below. Okay, where you have this tells you the current price. Okay, this green stuff where you have price and you have 45 points, what is actually under is time. Okay, that stuff under is actually time reading. Okay, so and when you check, this is a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what this thing actually means, this time is actually counting down. Okay, what it means is that it remains 45 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, for this particular candlestick to close. Okay, so that is what that's what this time actually indicates. So when you check price, you check time. Another thing you need to check is the currency pair. Okay, right here we have the USD Canadian dollars. Okay, 4-hour time frame. This is the time. Okay, Oanda is just like a type of broker. Okay, but you actually don't this you really don't need this right now. Okay, so this is USD against the Canadian dollar. Now, when you check here, you have a price with a red outer part. Okay, and a price with a blue outer part. Now, the red is the ask price. Okay, the red is the ask price. I told you the ask price is the price that sellers are willing to sell, and then the blue is the bid price. The bid price is the price that buyers are willing to buy. Okay, so when you check this, these are important things you need to check on your candle on your candlestick charts. All right, then you have the candlesticks themselves. All right, you have the candlesticks themselves. So let me just zoom in. So this is how it looks like. All right, so this is how the candlestick looks like. All right, the candlestick charts look like. When you zoom out, you get to see them. Sorry, when you zoom in, you get to see them. You get to see them well. All right, so this is the candlestick chart. You can see group of candlesticks. All right, so that will be the end of this video. In our next video, I'll get to talk more on what we are going to be dealing with.